food is more than just fuel. The food you eat can help reduce the risk of chronic disease and keep you feeling young. It seems like every day we wake up to a new superfood that will change your life. With the abundance of information available, how do you know what's actually good for you? Check out these 10 excellent foods every man should eat every day. Number 10. Almonds. Load up on the nutrient-dense nut as much as you can during snack time, gentlemen. Almonds are an excellent source of magnesium. There is primarily research that shows that men deficient in magnesium may have lower levels of testosterone, offers Carrie Gans, RDN nutritionist and author of The Small Change Diet. Magnesium helps maintain normal muscle and nerve function, helps your cells to make energy, and is important for your health of your heart and blood vessels. Almonds can help lower your systolic blood pressure, which offers even more protection against heart disease. Almonds are rich in valuable nutrients for your body like magnesium, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. A single serving of almonds makes for a nutritious and filling snack. Almonds have calcium and phosphorus, which improves bone health and can protect you from fractures. Almonds seem to help curb blood sugar spikes after meals, which is key for people with diabetes. Recent research appears to suggest that almonds can protect the health and immunity of the gastrointestinal GI tract. A healthier gut means a better immune system and a stronger body. Number 9. Yogurt. We're not talking about the sugar-laden types brimming with artificial ingredients. Instead, opt for unsweetened varieties and add fruit, nuts, and other toppings. Men often think that only women need to be concerned about bone health and therefore skimp on making sure they too consume adequate calcium. Men are also at risk for osteoporosis. A single container of yogurt can easily be enjoyed daily as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. If you're making a morning smoothie, yogurt could be a simple ingredient to include that provides a whole lot of nutrition. Not all yogurts are healthful. Those without added sugar or unnecessary additives can be a helpful addition to the diet, but some products have high quantities of added sugar and other ingredients that may not be beneficial. Natural yogurt can be a low-calorie, high-nutrient food packed with protein. However, many manufacturers add sugar, artificial sweeteners, and other ingredients that are not healthful. All yogurts contain some natural sugars, but consumers are advised to look for a product with less than 15 grams of sugar per serving. The lower the sugar, the better, as long as it does not contain any artificial sweeteners. Some studies have refuted the view that yogurt consumption is linked to good health, causing authorities to question whether health claims can be made for commercial purposes. However, people who eat yogurt are more likely to have an otherwise healthy diet. Number 8. Tomatoes. Get excited for tomato season, fellas. Men should shoot to eat foods that are high in lycopene, such as tomatoes. The reason for this is because the antioxidant lycopene has been shown to protect men from prostate cancer, a concern for all males as they age, says Daily Harvest's nutritionist Amy Shapiro, MS, RD, CND. Try whipping up an easy tomato sauce recipe or add tomato paste to curries, pasta sauce, and more for an extra hit of lycopene. P.S. Lighten up that pasta bowl with replacing half your meal with zucchini noodles, zoodles as folks in the know call them, or whole wheat pasta. Number 7. Potatoes. Good news, carbivores. Carbohydrates are often neglected in men's diets with the popularity of low-carb diets. This can leave their energy feeling low. Potatoes offer more potassium than a banana, half the recommended vitamin C for the day, and fiber for digestion. Plus, potatoes offer carbohydrates to help fuel and replenish exercise performance. Potatoes are so versatile. Make potatoes into healthy potato wedges with olive oil and sea salt in the air fryer. Add potatoes or sweet potatoes to protein smoothies. Simply add the potatoes and add cottage cheese on top for extra protein. Number 6. Lean protein. People need protein for healthy growth and development and to maintain muscle mass. Eating protein at each meal can help balance blood sugar levels and avoid the spikes that may happen when eating carbohydrates on their own. This approach can help people maintain their energy levels and concentration. The amount of protein a person needs depends on factors such as their sex, age, and weight. Additionally, protein requirement varies according to how much and what type of activity the person does, and if they are pregnant or nursing. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, suggests that most people in the U.S. eat enough protein, but need to select leaner varieties of meat and poultry and increase the variety of protein foods they eat. Choose meats less often. According to the USDA, adults need 5 to 7 ounces of protein each day. The following are examples of common healthy protein foods and their protein content. 1 sandwich slice of turkey equals 1 ounce. 1 small chicken breast equals 3 ounces. 1 can of tuna drained equals 3 to 4 ounces. 1 salmon steak equals 4 to 6 ounces. 1 egg equals 1 ounce. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter equals 1 ounce. 1 cup of lentil soup equals 2 ounces. 1 soy or bean burger patty equals 2 ounces. 1/4 of a cup of tofu equals 2 ounces. People should try to vary their protein sources to consume a wide variety of amino acids and other essential nutrients. Number 5. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables contain sulfurous compounds called glucosinolates. These are beneficial to health. According to one 2020 review, glucosinolates regulate cell pathways and genes and may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects. The compounds may also be beneficial for treating and preventing metabolic syndrome, but scientists need to conduct more research to prove this. The following is a list of cruciferous vegetables that people can aim to eat every day: broccoli, cabbage, radish, cauliflower, broccoli sprouts, Brussels sprouts. Also, as well as sulfur compounds, cruciferous vegetables are a rich source of fiber and many essential vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens such as arugula and watercress also contain beneficial sulfur compounds. Number 4. Different colored vegetables. Health experts, including the American Heart Association, AHA, trusted source, recognize the Mediterranean diet as one of the healthiest ways to eat. Diets that emphasize vegetables, such as plant-based diets and the Mediterranean diet, can help lower the risk of chronic conditions such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Eating a range of different colored vegetables every day helps ensure an intake of a wide range of phytonutrients, which are beneficial plant compounds. The USDA's My Plate resource recommends that adults eat 2 to 4 cups of vegetables per day depending on their age, sex, weight, and activity levels. The USDA also advises that people eat different colored plant foods, including leafy greens, beans, and lentils. Number 3. Berries. Consuming berries can help people achieve some of their daily nutrient goals. For example, one 2015 study suggested that eating a 100-gram portion of raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries could provide more than 50% of someone's daily requirement of manganese, vitamins, such as vitamin C and folate, and phytochemicals. Berries are excellent sources of bioactive compounds such as phenolic acids, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. Because these compounds act as antioxidants, they may help prevent cardiovascular disease and lower the risk of some cancers. Some berries to eat every day include the following: blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries. Fresh or frozen berries are better than dry types, which only have 20% of many phytonutrients. 2. Nuts. Research indicates that eating nuts every day can be beneficial for health. For example, a 2019 prospective study trusted source involving over 16,217 adults with diabetes found that people who ate 5 or more servings of nuts each week had a lower risk of coronary heart disease, cardiovascular disease, and mortality than those who ate fewer than 1 serving of nuts per month. Specifically, tree nuts were more beneficial than peanuts in preventing chronic conditions. One 2020 study suggested that some people may be reluctant to eat nuts because of their high fat content. However, the authors pointed out that nuts are nutrient-dense foods that do not have an adverse effect on body weight. Indeed, when they replace other less healthy foods in the diet, they may help reduce body weight. Some people are unable to eat nuts because of an allergy. For those who can eat nuts, choosing plain, unflavored, and unsalted nuts is a healthy option. All nuts contain essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Brazil nuts are one of the best dietary sources of the mineral selenium, with a single nut providing 95.8 micrograms mcg. This is significantly more than the daily adult requirement of 55 mcg. Number 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key ingredient in the Mediterranean diet. Olives are rich in polyphenols. These act as antioxidants, protecting the body against oxidative damage. One 2018 study suggested that phenolic compounds in olive oil have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties in test tube studies. Although scientists need to conduct more human research, the authors of this study suggested that people who consume less olive oil may benefit from increasing their intake. Extra virgin and unfiltered olive oil contain the highest levels of beneficial polyphenols. However, quality olive oil is usually more expensive, so people can reserve this for drizzling over salads and vegetables. Using standard olive oil for cooking may be more cost-effective. Do let us know in the comments which one of these superfoods you consume daily. Please subscribe to The Health Awareness. Thanks for watching.